so stupid. Oh, it's so good. So I got my van stuck about a quarter mile away here. I went down this small, snowy back road here, right over Snoqualmie Pass. There's supposed to be some cool camping back here with a little campfire and everything. It would be nice, but there's no way I can get my van further down there, and even then out of the snow embankment. So I think I'm probably just going to have to put the chains back on and find a place a little closer to the road that's not so snowed in, because it's already starting to snow now, and definitely don't want to wake up unable to get out of here. I've been putting on these snow chains here for like off and on about 45 minutes now. They keep on failing, so having to repair them in the freezing rain that's coming down here. This little piece right here seems to come off, and these snow chains just keep on getting caught up in the tires and failing in different areas. Would not recommend. Making burgers tonight. Haven't used this new induction stove I got earlier, but see how it works. Last time I tried out the inverter, it was kind of on the fritz, so be an experiment. I know you're supposed to clean off your lettuce, but I don't really have any type of water. Hopefully, if I could just wipe it off with some paper towels, that'll do the trick. Pretty sure it doesn't work that way, but at least I'm doing something. This isn't doing anything. Yeah, at least some kind of breeze going in. This induction cooker makes quick work. Wow. That was like, what, 5 minutes? I gotta say, I'm pretty damn impressed with this induction cooker. Doesn't look super appetizing, but it doesn't look super bad either.
The process sounds good. Exactly. Well, here's what you do. What it is.
It's one of those rare sunny winter days here in the Pacific Northwest, so I decided to make the most of it and head to the Olympic National Forest. Hopefully I'll find a good spot for the van tonight and then go hike Mount Ellinor in the morning, or Elpenor, one of those. I didn't really plan too much as to the route. Hopefully I don't need snowshoes because I didn't get any, but I did pick up some other things along the way. Some bear spray and a hatchet, so hopefully that'll help me out here. In case bear comes, I can smack it with a hatchet. I think I found a good camping spot for the night. Pretty secluded here, kind of off the main road, but still a little pull out. Look to have a fire pit here and kind of a river to myself. Woo!
You nailed it. So
We just got the regular type of coffee.
Glad I sleep in all of my hiking gear. Time to get the day started. This mountain is unsurprisingly straight up. Quads are killing me. Damn, this is a really cool canyon. I think I couldn't have chose a better day to go hiking, especially since I don't have any snowshoes. A bunch of powder came down about 4 days ago or so, but thankfully it hasn't snowed then, and it's been warmer days and freezing nights, so thankfully that froze all the snow, and I haven't been post-holing, because if I was post-holing up here, it'd be impossible. This has actually been pretty nice. Woo! Mount Ellinor, made it to the summit. Very pretty up here. Every time I get to the top, the clouds start rolling in. Sounds about right.